Hey everyone, this is how you turn off notifications in Klarna. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and open the settings app on your mobile device. Then go ahead and search apps on the search bar at the top. Tap on the first option. Then there are many options on your screen. Simply tap on the second option called Manage Apps. Here you will see all the apps that you have downloaded in your mobile device. Simply tap on the search bar at the top again and type in Klarna. Here you will see all the details about the Klarna app. Simply scroll down until you see an option called Notifications. Tap on it. And here you can simply switch it off on the Show Notifications option. And now you have turned off notifications for the Klarna app. So it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.